Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel dear viewers. In front of me Realme Narzo 50 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to set caller ID announcement on this device. So to do it, just open phone application, then click on the three dash button on the right up corner of your screen, then click settings and scroll down. Here you will see caller ID announcement feature, click on it, and here you have when announce caller ID, and now you can choose one of these options. So always announce, maybe it's not too good when everyone hears who calls you, but you can use only when using a headset, and in this way when you, for example, riding on a bike, or when you driving in tram or in the train, for example, and your smartphone in your backpack, or I don't know, you have no smartphone in your hands, and you are listening to music in this at this moment. So in this way, if someone will call to you, so you will hear who calls you. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.